Okay, James, 53 is your best paper 2 performance so far, so that's not a grade C. Let's see now if we can start improving and getting up to a grade C. That's good. That's good. It hasn't answered the question, unfortunately. This is how much discount they get. The builder has to pay £636.90 less the £63.69, so you're going to lose a mark there. That one's right, that one's right, that one's right, that one's right, and that's good too. Well done. So 11 for the page. Yeah, that's good. You've rubbed out the wrong one. CAB is correct. 10587 is correct. 7 for the page. That's good. Summer 7 out of 40. C is right. A needs to be a bit further this way. And those 7 out of 10 of them are pink. So if you think that that's a scale from 0 to 10, 7 is going to be about there. So that's too far up the scale to get that mark. And B, you've misread the question. Chances of him not picking a black ball are certain because there aren't any black. You've answered the question. What's the chances of him picking a black ball? So you're only going to get one of the 3 marks there. That's good. 4, 8, 9, 12 for that page. Take a look at the video clip of me explaining that. It's very wordy, but actually it's not that difficult a question so long as you know what isosceles triangles look like. Take away 7 from the next number in the sequence should be from the previous number in the sequence. You don't know what the next number is, so you're going to lose that mark. And times the next number by 2, it needs to be the previous number, and it needs to be by -2 in order to make those every other one negative. 10W is correct. That one's right. That one's wrong. You got it the wrong way around. Okay? If the youngest one is X, then the older one is 6 years older, X plus 6. But if the youngest one, sorry, if the oldest one is X, sorry, the youngest one is X, the older one, no, if the older one is X, the other one is 6X minus 6. So you're only going to get the 1 mark there. 20 is correct, and P is 16. Good. 3, 5, 6, 7 for that page. 4.5. Excellent. 7, that one's right. That one's right. Divided by 6. They are 75, but it's not after 6 steps, it's after 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't count the first one. I can't spell steps. Okay, so you're only going to get 1 for that. 6, 10, 11 for the page. That's quite a tricky one, but you can develop it just by writing the lists. Have a look how I try and explain that on the video clip. All angles of ACB are the same, that is correct, but because they all add up to 180, and you know that they're the same, and there are 3 of them, they're each going to be 60, so that is 60, and then you know that that is a 90-degree angle, and you've got half of it, so it's going to equal 105 degrees. So you haven't done enough there to actually earn any marks. Good, well done. Right, let's just check this. So we've got 215 from here. That's good. And 324 from here. Excellent. 3 marks for that, 7 for the page. Okay, well, we've practiced that this week, so probably if you went back and had another go at that, you might be able to get the marks for that now. 23.9 is correct. 48 and 70 is correct. Again, take a look how I talked through that on the video. 173.31 is right. 233.76, £10.19. £20.97 is a little bit out, so where have we gone wrong there? 171, 173.31, 203, £10.19. All of that is right. 203.76 plus £10.19, 213.95, minus the 42.36, minus 27.50, minus 55, minus 55, minus 55, minus 20.90. Yeah, okay. I think that's right. I've got £20.91, so that might be a 1, in which case it's okay. Anyway, well done. 9 for the page. This should be there. Okay, area of a triangle is half base times height. So the area is a half times 8.6 times 4.1. This 4.1 plus 8.6 is 90.77, should be down here in order to work out H. So I'm going to give you 1 mark for your method, 1 mark for the 90.77, but you then need to finish that off. Okay, you got H squared is 90.77, so H will be the square root of 90.77, and then you can work out the perimeter for that. So you're going to get 2 marks for how far you've taken it. So I reckon this is a really good performance. Let's see what it totals, James. 11, 18, 30, 37, 48, 55, 58, 67, 69. Excellent. Grade C. Well done. Really impressive.